Alright guys, so today I just filmed this look for you guys. I had a lot of fun filming it, and I just want to say Valentine's Day isn't just for couples. Treat yourself, like go buy some makeup, I don't know, treat yourself, do something for you, something that like you don't usually get to do for yourself. Treat yourself. But yeah, I had a lot of fun filming this look, and I don't have a man, but like that ain't stopping me from looking cute on V-Day, you know. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for the 21 subscribers that I have. That's not a lot, obviously, but to me it means a lot just because it shows people who are supporting me and everything like that, and I just want you guys to know it really does mean a lot. But if you guys want to see how to get this same look, go ahead and keep on watching. Until
Look at me. 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 I'm as helpless as a kitten up a tree. I'm clinging to a cloud I can't understand. Look at me.
Okay. I'm not a concept, Joel. I'm just a fucked up girl who's looking for my own peace of mind. I'm not perfect.
I can't see anything that I don't like about you.
Don't ignore what's happening here. We're having some kind of powerful, weird alchemy, and you have to pay attention when that happens. Stuff is not to be treated lightly.
Listen, I actually just came out here to have a cigarette, okay, and relax and do my thing.
Yeah.
So, maybe another time.
Yeah, but there may not be another time. Okay, I may never get this chance again. I mean, we may never, you know, be able to return to this moment.